Hello, this is Jose Saldana, and this is the video tutorial for week 5. For this video, I just want to show you how you can change the material of anything that you're modeling in Revit. For example, I'm just going to use an example of this wall right here. If I want to change the material of this wall, I can just select that wall. Right now it's just a generic 6-inch. If you had any other type of wall and you wanted to change the material, you could also just, if the material is not included here, you could just edit type and create a duplicate and change the material. But yeah, like I said, you click edit type, and if you just want to change the material, you go here where it says structure, click edit, and there's a column here which says material, and this is the structure, and you click those 3 dots, and it'll take you to a new dialog box where you can choose whatever material you want that wall to be. For example, if I want this wall to be brick, just look up brick, and there's that common brick right there, and I can select it and click OK. And if you wanted to change the thickness too, you can edit that there as well. Click OK there, apply, OK, and then since all of my exterior walls were generic 6-inch in the same family, it changed all the exterior walls to brick. And this goes with anything. If you want to change the material of the garage door, you select the garage door, edit type. It's taking a second. And you can there's different materials here. There's the panel material, the frame material, the trim material, and it shows the types of materials it's using right there. So you could select, if you want to change the panel, select that and go to the 3 dots. It'll take you to the same dialog box, and yeah, you can search whatever material you want there if you wanted to change that. But yeah, it's pretty much the same process for every family or every object that you model in Revit. And yeah, I hope this helped, and thank you.